Kundig. This is how sanding can be a real pleasure. Easy to operate, reliable, versatile. Kundig sanding machines, the solid basis for craftsmanship and industry. Enormous strides have been made in development from the first surface sanders to the standard achieved today. Central, however, is the user and his need for an operator-friendly and reliable machine. Kundig sanding machines fulfill this requirement. There are three construction features which make the difference: the adjustment of the upper machine section, the automated feeding, and the ease of operation. With the earlier conventional design, the workpiece thickness was adjusted on the work table. Modern advanced machines have sanding units which adjust to the workpiece thickness. This allows the use of auxiliary tables on a constant level. The advantages are obvious. Previously, two operators were required, one to feed the machine and the other to remove the workpieces. Nowadays, with a Kundig machine, a single worker is enough. To make it even more simple, it operates with automatic feeding. The automatic thickness measuring function and the integrated feed release make the work noticeably more efficient. The calculation is quickly made. With a Kindig wide belt sander, it simply needs less manpower and less time. Especially operator-friendly are the adjustment of the variable feed speed on the operating panel. The easy adjustment of the required stock removal. The clear regulating devices for the sanding belt grits. The pneumatic feed belt tracking, and much more. Kundig sanding machines are available as a one-belt combi machine, in the variant with 2 belts, or with 3 and more sanding units. As well as sanding from the top, or from the bottom. Obviously also in a complete top-bottom sanding line. Naturally always in an appropriate execution for calibration, or veneer or lacquer sanding. And of course it can also be equipped with an electronic segmented sanding pad, or with a cross-belt unit. Installations for innovative sanding processes, for example CNC-controlled surface sanding machines and custom-built special designs, complete the range of wide belt sanders, unique in conception and execution. Kundig wide belt sanding machines meet the highest demands for ease of operation, reliability, and quality. Kundig, this is how sanding can be a real pleasure.